G'day, it's Chriso from down under, Queensland, Gold Coast, Australia. I'm doing this bathroom. I don't recommend DIYs do this tile unless you've got super flat plumb walls. I've had to pack a bit on that wall to get it, you know, beautiful and flat and straight and plumb, and it is. But if DIYers were doing that sort of thing, they would get into trouble slightly. It's taken a few years of practice to get it like that. Anyway, this is a nice flat easy wall, and we'll knock these up. I hope everyone's having a great day. I am. It's cool. If you notice what I'm doing here, where's my tile? Can you see that? I'm wrapping the tile around so it continues. I don't know what the cut will be there, but it will be continuing around. The same in that other corner, and then it finishes against the architrave. So it runs itself out, which is so cool. I've done the same everywhere. Which is pretty cool, because it helps to make a neat job of it. So that is what you want to look at if you're doing this tile, DIYs. Wrap it around. It's the same as if you're doing subway in a bathroom. You wrap it around the same. But it is going to look very effective. Well, it's super effective. I know my floor is dead level, which it helps. But once I've put these up, I'll just have a look and see anyway how level it is. It needs to be. My line needs to be level, and then you know you're always plumb. They're not quite like the porcelain tile. They're not bad for size, not bad, but you know, not super brilliant, not as good as the porcelain. I always like to spread my tile, not the wall, because I make less mess. I've never been a fan of notching your wall, but you can do whatever you like. Notch the wall, or notch your trowel like I do, it doesn't matter. But I find I get less mess if I notch my tile. I'm not dropping it everywhere. But VJ board now, 1, 2, 3, 4. What I've discussed with the owner is he's got 3 metre sheets, because that is higher or longer. Yeah, that's 1420. When you've got a 3 metre sheet, that's going to be big enough. Instead of having a cut in the tiles, it would have looked a bit shitty, because it stuffs the pattern. Everything is based on a full pattern. But if you do this with this tile, I do recommend you have your walls perfect. Broken tile, right? Let's get another box. I'll be back in a sec.